In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a set of group cart items in Instacart. Whether you're planning a big dinner or just need to stock up on household essentials, Instacart's group cart feature can make the process simpler and more collaborative. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can purchase everything you need effectively. First, start by opening your Instacart app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, as this ensures everything loads smoothly. If you haven't updated your app recently, it might be a good idea to check for updates to have the latest features and fixes at your fingertips. Once you've opened the app, take a moment to find the store from which you want to make your purchase. Instacart offers a variety of store options, so select the one that suits your needs best. You'll often find different pricing or product availability depending on the store. This choice is crucial if you're looking to save money or find specific items that aren't available everywhere. The next step is to begin adding your desired products. To do this, look for the plus icon next to the items you want to include in your cart and click it. This action will add these items to your cart. Remember, our app is already updated, so you should see the changes reflected immediately. Having a clear list of what you need ahead of time helps streamline this process, saving you time and minimizing the risk of forgetting essential items. After you've successfully added all the products to your cart, you're ready to proceed to delivery. Click the Deliver button to move forward in the checkout process. This is where you'll confirm the availability of delivery slots, which can vary based on your location and the store's capacity. It's always good to check the earliest delivery availability to ensure your items arrive when you need them. Now, it's time for checkout, which is a critical phase. Click the checkout option carefully, because once you move past this point, changes can't be undone. Here, you'll need to review your final list of items to ensure nothing has been mistakenly left out or included. The final step involves adding necessary details such as your address and payment methods. Make sure your address is correct to avoid any delivery issues, and choose your preferred payment method. If you've used Instacart before, your details might autofill, but it's always wise to double check for accuracy, especially if you've recently moved or updated your payment information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to complete your group cart purchase on Instacart. Happy shopping, and enjoy the convenience of getting your favorite products delivered right to your door.